This is one of my favorite Jingle Bell arrangement. Here is what it sounds like. One, two. That's the first page. And the glissando is one of the most interesting part in the piece. And this is how we do glissando. Instead of using fingernails, we have lots of glissando in the piece. It's the best to use an index card, and this is how you hold it. So thumb on the other side, and where you touch the key is the fingers, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like this. And you just glide down. Your thumb do not touch the key. Glide down, and the same thing for left hand. You are gonna hold it with left hand. Left hand come up. So again, right hand down, left hand up. And as you will see, I have the pom-poms on the piano. It's very important for this piece because this piece moves around the keyboard a lot. And this pom-pom, the middle C, treble C, high C, bass C, low C, it will help you keep your position. So the beginning of the piece, we start in the middle and move up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And on the third line, remember to do short, short, long, short, short, long, short, 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 long, like that. Now move on to the second page. The second page has all the bass clef. So it's in the low area. Bass C, low C. And this is the familiar melody. This is going from measure 17, second page, to the middle of the third page, the third line of third page. And so, quick review. Start bass C and low C with the correct finger number. 1, 3, 1, 5. And the most interesting part is the dynamic. On measure 33, which is the last line of second page, start softer, and I will use finger 2 and 4 there, so that it's consistent throughout. And so soft and more. All right, and now after the glissando on the second page, the left hand goes up. Your hands will go to high C and middle C. You will see 8 VA on measure 49. Oh, actually, there's both hands on top of AVA. So I need to move my left hand to treble C, pardon me. So again, correction. Going up, then just go to treble C and high C and do your Jingle Bell up high. This is another one of my favorite part. There are so many. So this is on measure 63, and it's a going down of G, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. There's a retardado down though at the end, you see RIT, that's on measure 66. So make sure you slow down at the end and this part, you see the pedal marking, means holding the pedal down one more time. Measure 63. 2, 3, 4, right hand, which bring you to the lowest C, with pedal down. So again, last line, endings, measure 69, we have A, C, and low C. And 3, 5, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and pedal down, and finish. I played a wrong note before because I was trying to arrange the page. That's actually on measure 49. When you do the high jingle bell, I don't quite remember which note I played, but it's somewhere around there. I'm sure with your good ear you can figure out which note it is, and enjoy.